The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest, spanning the Amazon basin across 9 South American countries. Covering 5.5 million square kilometers, it's a hub of unparalleled biodiversity, home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species. A critical global climate regulator, the Amazon absorbs vast amounts of carbon, earning it the title of a vital carbon sink. Its unique wet season floods large areas, creating a dynamic, amphibious ecosystem. The forest's immense scale and its ability to generate its own rainfall significantly influence global climate patterns. The Amazon is also a sanctuary for numerous indigenous communities and contains billions of metric tons of carbon, underscoring its immense importance for both ecological and human well-being.